In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FanDuel in order to place trades on the World Cup. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you install the FanDuel application, which you're easily able to do for free regardless of whether you're on an iOS device or on an Android. If you're on an Android, please open up the Google Play Store. It's going to look something like this. If you're on an iOS device such as an iPhone, please open up the App Store. Both processes will be basically the same thing. Of course, the UI or the user interface is going to look slightly different, but the main thing is you just want to go to the search bar and just look up FanDuel. Then you should go ahead and be able to find it and be sure to go ahead and install it. Once you finish installing it, press on open. Now, the first thing FanDuel is going to do, FanDuel is going to ask you what state you are from. That is incredibly important because unfortunately, not every state is going to work with FanDuel, but a lot of them are, including New York City, which typically tends to be on the more restrictive side. So that is something to know. And after you went ahead and select on your state, then you will need to create your FanDuel account. To create a FanDuel account, you'll need to enter your email and your address, and then you should be good to go. Then the next order of business is to deposit funds to your FanDuel account so that you're actually able to place trades and stuff like that. And to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu, select over here where it says account, and then it's going to show your balance. And you want to go ahead and press on deposit. And if it's your first time ever using FanDuel, it's actually going to make you do some verification just to verify that it is actually you who is trying to make these changes. So you just want to go ahead and select on continue with easy verification. You're going to need to enter in your phone number and your date of birth, for example. So please go ahead and enter that in. But then afterwards, you guys are able to use something like PayPal, a debit card, etc. in order to actually verify your FanDuel account. And once you guys have the funds on the app right here, then you guys can go over here to where it says home. And then just scroll down and there's going to be a widget that says World Cup. And then you guys are able to go ahead and actually look at all these different parlays and stuff like that. We have games, goals, shots on target, etc. Method of winning. We have total goals, assists, scores, and stuff like that. So you really are able to make certain trades and stuff like that. Really specific right over here. So for example, score a goal, etc. You're able to select on yes and stuff like that. And you guys could do parlays. And FanDuel will definitely provide you with a decent experience. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.